itong ICC, gusto akong ikulong ng mga nila. Ako, kung may kasalanan, kung talagang may kasalanan, at tapos sabihin mo sa akin, ito ang nagawa mo masama, ay abogado ako, tignan natin. And if I am prosecuted, you prosecute me in a Philippine court with a Filipino judge. And governed by the rules of court on evidence. Bakit mo ako dalhin sa ibang lugar to face itong mga puti, tapos husgaan ako ng mga ituloy ko na lang para malabas ko rin yung galit ko. Ito mga ano? Pilipino ako, tapos dalhin mo ako doon, mga puti yung naloko na. Mag-rebuild din na lang ako, magpatayan tayo. Bakit ako? Ako, sigurado ako, wala silang jurisdiction sa akin. There is one thing, gusto talaga ninyo malaman. Gawa ganito. The law says, the Constitution says that all laws, particularly penal laws, must be published in the official gazette or in a newspaper of wide circulation. But primarily so official gazette. Ang mga buang pinirmahan ni Estrada, dinala nila doon sa Congress for the ratification. Dapat binalik nila dito sa Executive Department. The Executive Department, ako, I will now order the publication of the law. Yung ICC law rin na crime against, whatever crime is there, you have to publish it because that would put everybody, every Filipino and all on constructive notice na may batas. Kung hindi mo i-publish yan, and if you fail, to Vera versus, I think, in Raleigh, there is no law at all. Kasi pagkatapos ng Congress, dinala kaagad nila and appended it sa Rome Agreement. Without the publication, because the publication, parang yun ang constructive notice na, hoy, mga Pilipino, may batas tayo. Ako mismo, abogado, hindi ko man alam. Mabaski alam ko, but hindi nila, you have to comply with the law. Now, if you insist on prosecuting me, itong mga ICC, itong local, makinig kayo for your education. Pag hindi ninyo nagawa yan, walang mangyari. You cannot bring me within the jurisdiction of your ICC. Because dito, sa Pilipinas pa lang, you have deprived me of my constitutional right. What is that? That no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. What is the due process? The publication. So, ngayon, manigas na kayo, talagang Pero I would love to go to where that Hague court is without necessarily submitting to its jurisdiction. I would like to give a speech there. And worst comes to worst, kung talagang may trial, then my first witness will be Dilima. Siya man ang sige daldan. I'm not trying to pick a fight with any of you here.